This is a quick hack to understand plurals in Shona. Basically, each noun has a prefix, either 2 letters or 3 letters at the beginning of each word. For example, a lot of nouns to describe people start with the prefix mu. This prefix is singular, but when it's plural, it becomes va. When it comes to objects that begin with the prefix mu, this changes in plural to mi. So an example for both. Munu, describing a person, becomes vanu, people. Mukadzi, describing a woman, becomes vakadzi, many women. And now, mu becoming mi. Muti, a tree object, becomes miti. Musha, a place, becomes misha. Mugwagwa, a road, becomes migwagwa. Sense or nonsense?